So I'm going to ask question from chapter 2, that is acid, base and salts. So my first question is, name the substance obtained by the action of chlorine on dry slaked lime. I repeat, name the substance obtained by the action of chlorine on dry slaked lime. When dry slaked lime react with chlorine, then which substance are formed? Yes, Anup Kumar. Anup, what is the name of this compound? Wait, Shreya. Beta carbon is not present in that compound. Okay, Shreya, you speak better. Shreya, ye- yes, it's a common name. I am asking what is the chemical name? Yes, Shreya. Yes, it's calcium oxychloride. And what is the common name of this compound? Yes, good. Okay. My next question is, in addition to sodium hydrogen carbonate, okay, baking powder contains a substance X. अब एक कोई ऐसा जैसा सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट के अलावा बेकिंग पाउडर कंटेन्स अ सब्सटेंस दैट इज एक्स. नेम द सब्सटेंस एक्स. प्रगति. Yes. Okay. Good. You know they yes, there is a difference between baking soda and baking powder. Okay. In baking powder, it is a mixture of baking soda and edible acid like tartaric acid. Okay. But baking soda contains only sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes, Swasti, tell me what is baking powder? How does it make the cake soft and spongy? Swasti. Oh, yes. Yes. Okay. Yes, very good. Okay. Srini Pradhan, which compound of calcium is used for disinfecting drinking water supply? I repeat, which compound of calcium is used for disinfecting drinking water supply? Disinfecting drinking water supply. आपके CaCl2. No. Shreya Patel, can you name the compound of calcium which is used for drinking, disinfecting drinking water supply? Yes. And Anup. Okay. Abhigyan and Richa. Abhigyan, Richa. Okay. The correct answer is bleaching powder. Okay. Abhigyan, can you tell me name a metal compound which has detergent properties? Name a metal compound which has detergent properties. Abhigyan, can you tell me the formula of washing soda? Wait, Pragati, wait. Richa, what is the answer, beta? Yes, good. So, the metal compound which has detergent property is washing soda, and the chemical name of this compound is sodium carbonate decahydrate. Okay, Na2CO3 into 10H2O. Okay, the next question is, name the gas evolved when dilute HCl react with sodium hydrogen carbonate. Rinki, Munni Kumari, Mohammad Afzal. Okay, what happens? Sorry, name the gas evolved when dilute HCl reacts with sodium hydrogen carbonate. Yes, Pragati, speak better. Pragati, Pragati, give reactions, give equation, give equation for this process. Tell me the reaction, beta. Reaction. Shreya, beta, wait. Yes, beta, speak. And name the reaction in which CO2 gas is evolved. Give reaction, sorry. Give reaction in which CO2 gas is evolved. Yes. Okay. Wait. Okay, okay, speak. Yes. Yes, very good. Swasti, same equation. Can you give another equation? Another equation means change sodium, change a metal hydrogen carbonate. You can use any other metal now in this reaction. So I'm asking that can you give any other reaction? Yes. Can you give any other reaction? Okay. Yes. Yes, very good. Okay. So the next question is, what is chlor-alkali process? Muhammad Afzal, what is chlor-alkali process? What is the reaction of this process? Which reaction takes place in this process? Sodium hydroxide form. What is the formula of sodium hydroxide? Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. And Shreya Singh, what happens when metal react with nitric acid? Metal nitrate. There is some exceptions. Okay. So yes, yes. Magnesium, except magnesium and manganese. Yes. Okay. Um, what happens if there is an excess of acid in the stomach? How can its effect be cured? Name one antacids. Formula. What is the formula of milk? Yes. Yes. MTOH का whole twice. Milk of magnesia is used for curing excess acid in our stomach. Okay. Yes. Sorry, Raj, Anshika, Niharika, Pardesi Sushant, Mohammad Asad. Only few students are answering the question. What about you, beta? Anshika, Sorry, Raj, Avinash, Harshvardhan. Okay. So the next question is name the acid present in ant sting and give its chemical formula. Rani. Shreya, wait, beta. I'm asking this question to Rani. Shreya Singh, name the acid present in an ant sting. Give its chemical formula. Give its chemical formula. Okay. Abhigyan, tell me the formula of methanoic acid. Yes.